What is up, Tech family? Welcome back to the Tech Zone. Today, we are pinning two incredible, the brand new DJI Lito X1 and its predecessor, the DJI Lito 1. Both of these drones are engineered to stay under that crucial 249-gram weight limit, meaning no registration hassle for most of you. DJI has made some massive changes to the camera optics, sensor size, and low-light capabilities. Is the Lito X1 the ultimate compact drone, or does the Lito 1 still hold the value crown? Let's find out. First, let's talk form factor. DJI has worked some serious engineering magic here. Both drones come in at a standard takeoff weight of approximately 249 grams. But check this out. Despite weighing the same, DJI managed to cram a larger 2,788 milliamp-hour battery into the Lito X1 compared to the 2,590 milliamp-hour battery in the older Lito 1. Surprisingly, because of the heavier hardware components on the X1, both drones deliver the exact same maximum flight time of 36 minutes. So, no extra airtime on the new model, but 36 minutes on a sub-249-gram drone is still absolutely stellar. Now, let's get into the real reason you're watching this video: the camera. This is where the Lito X1 completely leaves the Lito 1 in the dust. The older Lito 1 features a respectable 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, but the new Lito X1 steps it up to a massive 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. Both shoot 48-megapixel photos, but because the X1 sensor has physically larger pixels, it captures significantly more light, detail, and dynamic range. And the lens glass got a major upgrade too. The Lito X1 gives you a wider 24mm equivalent focal length with a bright f1.7 aperture. Compare that to the Lito 1's tighter 26.2mm lens and narrower f1.8 aperture. Plus, the X1 can focus on subjects as close as 1 meter away, whereas the Lito 1 requires you to be at least 4 meters away to lock focus. When it comes to frame rates, both drones are absolute beasts. They both shoot H.2654K video at up to 100 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion, and standard 1080p Full HD at up to 100 frames per second. Both also feature native 2.7K vertical shooting at up to 60 frames per second. The Lito 1 maxes out at normal color profiles. The Lito X1 introduces D-Log-M. This allows you to shoot flat, high dynamic range footage with an ISO range of 100 to 3200, giving you professional control in editing to pull out rich highlights and deep shadows. On the mechanical side, the stabilization remains identical. Both drones feature a highly flexible 3-axis gimbal with a tilt range of -126 degrees to 67 degrees, roll from -49 degrees to 49 degrees, and pan from -30 degrees to 30 degrees. Expect rock-solid, buttery footage from both. If you are on a budget and just want clean, reliable 4K aerial footage, the DJI Lito 1 remains an incredible, lightweight option. But if you are a professional creator, a nighttime flyer, or someone who loves to color grade your footage, the DJI Lito X1 is worth every single penny. Let me know in the comments below. Are you upgrading to the X1 or staying with the Lito 1? Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the Tech Zone, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another review. Until next time, keep flying high.